Goodbye, Thomas here. We've got 2 oak logs here at the end. These are red oak logs. I told my dad, I said I need 1 or 2 oak logs over 10 foot long to finish up the fencing that I'm going to be working on over there. I cut all that other oak wood, it's red oak as well, up in Wisconsin, and it was at 8 foot lengths. Well, unfortunately, some of the spacing didn't work out on the fencing. I had to do a little bit longer. So, needless to say, I've got to cut these 2 logs up here, get those boards put up, and then the 3 board fencing will be done on the front of the property, and I'll show you that here in a bit. Let's go ahead and get this larger one right here onto the sawmill and get to cutting. All right, that was, it says 21 minutes on my phone. Plus, you gotta think we were moving the log over here and everything. So under 20 minutes, got this beautiful red oak log cut up. Pretty much hit this pith right on the money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22 boards. Awesome. 22, there's a couple on there. You won't get the full length out of them, like these 3 here. Those will go away and a couple on the bottom. But for the most part, we got the majority of that. Let's go ahead and show you the fencing. I'm gonna take this to the burn pile first, but we'll show you the fencing where these boards are gonna go. Okay, we've got our pile over here. I've got a few more telephone poles there, but this is what we've been working on. So last weekend after church, we went ahead and started working on this fence and everything. These are 1x6s that I cut in Wisconsin. I've got to come back, of course, top all the posts to the same height and everything, but at least I have all these 3 boards up here. On the back side, we're also going to put like field fencing, if you will, so the dogs can't get through it. But I think this gives it a really cool touch. We're also going to char these boards up because this is red oak. Red oak doesn't really do the best in the elements over a long period of time, but if you char them up, that'll keep bugs and everything else out. So I'm pretty happy the way this turned out. And then way down there, I've got to do those ones. Those are where the sections were too long. Those were over 8 foot. And then over here, you see I got the middle one up, but this section here and that section there over 10 foot. And then of course those ones over there. And I have one more post I still got to put in there before we get to the fence. Oh, a lot of work. We did get, this is our new power pole here and everything. And then all of our power goes below ground. And then getting underneath this driveway here without breaking everything up was a pain. But we did get everything dug, everything into the ground, pulled through perfectly. We are working on getting the windows on the house and everything. We could not save the windows that are there. The termite damage was too extensive, but that's part of it. And I've got a big mess here from all the rain we had. Any gravel that I did dig up kind of popped out, but we're going to come back through here, put all new stuff down here. We are also going to pop out that big maple tree because unfortunately it's just so big, it's dying, not doing well. And I've been really contemplating on this pecan tree. However, I don't want a pecan tree next to the house. I keep on telling myself I don't want a pecan tree next to the house. I just don't trust them. Having lived in Mississippi, we saw a lot of those come down. But there you have it. So tomorrow after church again, we'll come out here, put the rest of these boards up, and hopefully be done with the 3 rail portion, cut all the posts the right size, and then we can start working on stretching the fence later on. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.